Hey guys, in this video I will show you what MoonPay is and how does it work. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Exactly what MoonPay is, what it basically is it's a way to sell your crypto and get paid into fiat. So this is pounds, this is sterling, this is dollars. It's trusted by MetaMask, PayPal, Trust Wallet, Universal, Mastercard, OKX, Olo, and Uniswap, so some of the biggest people in the crypto space. It's a way to buy, sell, and swap crypto seamlessly. Best encryption in the game, really secure. Again, it's trusted by PayPal, MasterCard, and they have over 30 million accounts and counting. You're going to know exactly how much you're going to get. There's no sneaky fees. They got really good security. Your balance is always redeemable. It's basically the idea. So you can buy crypto with it, you can turn that into crypto, and then you can sell that back into cash. And how it would basically work is you would sign up in a couple minutes and you would send the Bitcoin to their address. And how it works is you would create an account and then you would attach a way to get paid. So this is either PayPal, which will be instant payment, or your bank account, which is going to take about 0 to 2 days. You're going to send the Bitcoin, and you can see that I give 0.0023 Bitcoin. I'm going to get exactly 270 pounds. I'm going to send my Bitcoin to their address, and then when they see that I've sent the Bitcoin, then they're going to send the amount straight to my PayPal, my MoonPay balance, or my bank account. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.